Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to the church. This is the Nausea Church. I'm in charge, guys. Listen to me. What? No, you're not. Yeah, bro. Get off stage. Yeah. Oh, bro, you wanna freaking go right now? You wanna freaking go? Well, I bet I could preach better than your freaking baby-looking, bobbly-looking face, man. Get out of here. Oh, what? Are you serious? No way, bro. I can lead better than you. Tell you what, man. If you can get the Popeyes chicken sandwich, then I'll crown you to be the one to become my priest. Why? What the fuck is that? What is that? Well, I hope we don't die, because if we do inside of a church, I am going to get pissed. Yeah, guys, I don't know what that was. It was like an earthquake or something. Yeah, you know what, guys? I'm gonna go outside the church. I'm gonna go see what's going on. Alright, guys. Let's go see what's going on. Yo, this is the FBI. What the hell is going on? What the heck is this? What? What the Guys, holy crap! Guys, look at this! It's a freaking Eminem! I am the evil red Emenem, and I am going to kick your hiney so far back that the blood will come soaking out of it. Oh, heck no, bruh. You ain't gonna touch my monkey butt. I'm gonna kick your Eminem derriere. Yo, what the F, dude? Oh my god! Ah, Yo, man, you be picking on my friends, bro. You say it won't go and get you get, man. You won't get you get, yeah? You freaking fool. Oh, God. What the F was that for, bruh? Oh, you know what you did, Eminem. You know what you did. Not if I do this. Oh, 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 oh. The monkey never stands a chance. You guys are next.
How could you do that to our friend? Monkey. 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 Oh my god. Monkey, are you okay? I'll give you mouth to mouth.
Never do that again.
I was just helping you, brah.
I don't need your help, bruh. Guys, look. Eminem. He's over there. This isn't the last they've seen of me. I'll be back. That's a perfect place for my evil lair. I'll definitely hide out in there. They'll never find out. That's disgusting. Wow. Wow. so much places. But this is a dead end. Perfect. This will be a perfect hiding place to be at. Yeah. Wow, this looks like a pretty cool base. A pretty cool base to be in. I like what I'm seeing here. But that is yet to be decided. Once I try to come up with a better plan, I will kill Monkey and his friends. Alright, guys. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to kill Eminem.
Right after we go inside the church, I must preach.
Alright, listen up, people.
I'm only gonna say this once.
I'm floating up in the air. The religion that we're learning today is called nausea. Nausea is a heavily practiced religion, and we must use our ultimate powers to focus on that power. And next time Emenem is here, we will kick his behind. Oh, bro, I could preach way better than yours baby looking self. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're trash, bro. You be trash, bro. You be trashing. You're trash.